let's make a simple chakry or Deque in other countries. And today we're using blended vanilla, whole milk yogurt. Okay, you can use plain yogurt, it's up to you. All right, we have some nido milk powder, some chakry itself, and this is made of coos. Okay, it's already made, so I just added some hot water and steamed it. Added some raisins, coconut, nutmeg, and sugar with butter as well. And in here I have some sugar and vanilla extract or florderants, any one you have is okay. So I'm just gonna pour my yogurt in here. Because the yogurt has sugar, I'm just gonna put in just a little bit. All right, adding my milk powder, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. This gives it tons of flavor. Added 4 of that. It's vanilla flavored already, but I'm gonna drop in just a little bit vanilla extract. All right, you don't want too much of that, else it's gonna be bitter. So now I'm just gonna go in and mix it until it's smooth. You can add some milk here as well. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of milk because it's gonna be too thick. Just a drop of milk. Okay, this mixture has to be thick. Okay, if you don't like it thick, you can add in more milk, but it should generally be this consistency. Stage, after mixing, you can taste to see how the sugar level is, the vanilla, the milk. Okay, and then adjust accordingly. Okay, right now mine is perfect. Okay, so you see, that's the consistency we're looking for. Now I'm gonna add in the cereal, all right, or the chakry. So in goes the chakry. Add as you like. Mix it all up. I went on to add some bananas. Okay, you can add in any fruits of choice. All right, banana tastes really good in this. All right, so that's it.